Machiegni duoko mar bero mar ringre Albert Ojwang oyango ni ne otho kaluwore gi hinyruok mathoth e wiye ka ng'ute bende ni kod ranyisi mar ng'ama ne ode. Jabero laktar Bernard Midia ma bende ne otelo ne lakteche 4 e chenrono oyango ni Ojwang ne otho tok yudo hinyruok mathoth e fuonde mag dende, mano mopogore gi lipot mar obila mane yango ni ne otho tok goyo wiye e korot mar od ang'ech kama ne odine. Midia oyango ma e kinde ma bende notwako jofwambo oko mar kar kano ringre jomotho ma Nairobi Funeral Home tok bero mar ringre Ojwang.
Would have been consistent with hitting one's head on the wall, and that the signs you've seen today completely dismiss that particular narrative.
Well, when I examine the whole, the pattern of the injuries, especially on the head, the bleeds, the hematoma that are found on the head, hitting against a blunt substance, a wall, would have a particular pattern, a frontal bleeds. But the bleeds that we found on the scalp, on the skin of the head, was partially spread on all aspects, including the face, the sides of the head, and also the back of the head. When we tie up together with other injuries that are well spread in the body, including the upper limbs and the trunk, then this is unlikely to be self-inflicted injury.